I am back at these units again. And since I was here last, this Daikin was put in. Here's a brand new Daikin. Pretty sure this one's from 2021. Broad Ocean fan motor. This one's running. That was 5-ton. GE fan motor. It's a nice unit. It has a Copeland scroll compressor with the sound blanket. They replaced a Heil unit like this one. Here's an Arcaware unit. LG compressor. 2013 5-ton. Broad Ocean motor. Here's a small Heil unit. That one just turned off. Copeland scroll compressor. Nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.